Hi, all viewers. Welcome to Digital Marketing Hub. This is Harish here. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the online platforms where you can get a lot of trending topics which is going around the globe. These platforms will give you a lot of content ideas so that you won't be running out of ideas or content to make your YouTube videos. Now, let's jump into the system. So, let's begin. Number one in my list is medium.com. So this is the medium.com. This is a website where you can find lot of trending and interesting articles written by popular writers and bloggers. So you can use these topic for your YouTube videos, and these topics are really interesting and engaging. And one more thing I liked about Medium is if you click this plus icon, you can get specific niche topics and the latest ones in any topic. Let me click this plus icon. So if you see, you can go based upon your channel niche. If your channel niche is about comics, if you follow comics, you will get all the trending blogs and articles related to comics. If your channel is about gaming, you can follow the gaming articles. Let's say if my channel is about digital marketing, so I want to follow marketing, so I click marketing. If I go inside marketing, I can find the topic related to marketing, digital marketing, and so on. So you can see how to grow an engaged and active community post with Instagram. So whatever the niche is, you can select the niche and you can see interesting topics. Let's go back to the home page now. Now you can see marketing is added to your interested topic. So whatever the topic you are interested in, you can add all that into the dashboard, so that whenever the writers write trending blogs on this topic, it will appear in the home page. So that is how Medium works. And Medium is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for Medium. If you want to see articles without any ads, you can get the premium version of Medium also. So that is all about Medium. Now let's jump into the next tool. Number 2 in my list is pocket.com. If you are still watching this video, I am glad about it and I would appreciate it. Please consider subscribing the channel if you are into digital marketing, YouTube, blogging, and much more. We'll provide cool updates on these niches. So this is the home page of getpocket.com. When you sign into pocket.com, you will get this default article which is on how to use this pocket.com, and this is like a guideline kind of article. So the main thing here is if you click discover, you will get lot of trending articles which is around the globe. You can see that this article is very fresh and it is posted just 1 minute ago. So whenever an article is posted, the list will get updated. You can get the latest and updated articles and you can use it for your YouTube videos. So that is what I liked about Pocket. And you can also discover topics like this, like medium.com. You can choose whatever your niche is and you can get the specific topics according to your niche. And one more interesting thing I want to say about pocket.com is there is a tab called collections. So if you click collections, you will get some articles which is really interesting. So these articles can fascinate your audience, so that if you make any videos based on these topics, it is going to be getting highly engaged. So these are articles which are liked by a lot of people. So Pocket has identified these articles as collections. So you can find popular articles in collections and you can use this to make YouTube videos. So this can give you a lot of content ideas based upon your niches. Now let me show another interesting thing about pocket.com. You can access all your interesting website in one place. Like previously I showed you about medium.com, right? If I write the URL address www.medium.com and I am adding this website here. So what it does is it creates a list. So this is the list where you can access all your favorite websites. So if I click here, it redirects you to medium.com, which I previously said you. So one place you can keep all your favorites in pocket.com. So that is great about this website. And one more thing is that if you go through a favorite article, you can click save, so that it will be saved in your my list. So if you go to my list and refresh this, so you can see this article is saved and you can read whenever you want, and after reading it you can delete this. So it is that simple. It is user friendly and you can add all your articles in one place and access them. And one more thing is that you can also download in Google Play and App Store, so that you can access these articles in mobile phone also. So that it is a great platform where it gives you lot of content ideas and trending ideas for your YouTube videos. Platform number 3, Google Trends. Google Trends is one of the best and powerful tool to find what are the searches which is trending around YouTube. For that, you have to open your browser and type this word Google Trends YouTube and press enter. Now you can see the result, YouTube Google Trends. Click that. Now Google Trends will give you the results. What are all the search terms which is popular around YouTube? So these are all the search terms where people keep searching on YouTube for the past 12 months. Now you can also customize this to specific country. Now I'm choosing India and I'm choosing the timeline for past 30 days. Now I want to choose sports. Okay, now you can see the results, right? For the sports niche, for the past 30 days in India, in YouTube, people are searching for this specific terms. Now why this tool is powerful? Because I can create a topic or a content or a video based on the word which is already searching by people, so that I can get organic traffic and a lot of views to my video. So that is why Google Trends is powerful. If you want to make videos on trending topics which is going on in internet, you can use Google Trends and you can customize your filter, search the results, and then you can make videos according to this. So you can get all the details on what topics is searched and what are the queries is raised in YouTube, so that you can create videos around these trending topics and get lot of views. So that is all about Google Trends. Now let us see the fourth tool, BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is basically a paid platform, but you also have a free version, but it is limited to 10 searches per month. And you also have a 30 days free trial without using your credit card, which is a great option. So this is the BuzzSumo dashboard. Only when you sign in and choose a plan, either a free plan or a paid plan, you will get this dashboard. Without signing in, you won't get this dashboard and you cannot use this in BuzzSumo. So in this dashboard, just go to discover and click trending. So when you click trending, you will get all the topics which is trending around the globe, and you can also customize it by choosing your specific niche, sports, tech or business or politics. So if my niche is on technology, I just click here, and you can also filter country wise and language wise and also your time duration. So it also gives you Facebook engagement and how many Twitter engagements and in Reddit and also in Pinterest. So this is awesome, right? So you can get all the trending topics around the globe and also the trending score for each individual topic, so that it will be very useful for your YouTube videos. Not only that, you can also do one more thing in BuzzSumo app. You can go to discover and click topics. So if your channel is about digital marketing, just type and you can use search. So it will gather all the relevant information and the contents which is already present regarding digital marketing. That's awesome, right? So you can get all the keywords, search terms, and the post which is regarding digital marketing, and you can use this to make your content ideas. You can see the insight and content ideas for digital marketing agency, best digital marketing. Just click this, and for best digital marketing keyword there have been around 5520 questions. So what is the best way to drive traffic? So the best free credible digital marketing certifications online. So you can use all these questions to make a new video on your YouTube channel. So you can get lot of contents, the trending contents, and also some of the topics which is already questioned in Google and other social medias. So this strategy and this buzzsumo.com is worth the price you will pay. If you want to purchase this, I will give you the link in the description. So BuzzSumo app can also give you the trending topics, the keywords, and it can give you all these suggestions to your YouTube channel. So that's all about BuzzSumo. Hope I have served some useful things in this video. If you are into digital marketing, YouTube, Facebook, and make money online, consider subscribing the channel. Cheers, bye bye. I'll see you in the next interesting video.